So, hey everyone, welcome to Discover What Drives You Online. Now, I run this workshop normally face to face, so this is something new for me, but I'm not a stranger to the online space. As a leadership instructor and a lecturer at uni, I have been using Zoom for a while. I like the blended approach. I like a little bit of face to face and I also like Zoom. But I thought I'm going to bring this workshop to you online. And not only is it accessible to a lot more people as well, it gives you an opportunity to work in your own time on some things about yourself. What is Discover What Drives You? And I guess, who am I? So, my name is Renee Vincent, and my company Inspire to Motivate is all about wellness, in particular in the education space. So, giving you some tools around how to cope and to begin learning about who you are and becoming self aware. I'm very big on becoming conscious of actually who we are. A lot of us walk around a little unconscious and we feed our ego a lot. You know, the people that are complaining all the time or nothing's good enough. And you think, really, there's more to life, and it's about being grateful for what we have and finding the good stuff, random acts of kindness. So, discover what drives you. We'll begin with you. So, we're going to look at your traits. I have got a personality test there. If you haven't already, that's the first part you'll need to do before coming along to the first workshop. Now, that will reveal 4 different types. And one of those types that you are, we all have these traits, but there's one that you're going to be quite dominant in. Now, with that information, that is where the magic happens. I have been doing this type of training for years, and people always say to me at the end of it, wow, I can't believe how much I learn about myself and why there's some people I get on with and there's other people I can't. If you're in a role of leadership or where you're a supervisor and you really need to motivate staff and you just find that you can't motivate them, or whatever you do is not working, it's because they're probably a different type to you, and different types have different needs. And it's about learning not only about yourself but learning about others. And they're the 2 main things that people get away from these type of workshops is, wow, I learned who I am. If you're that person that's always in your head, then you'll learn about, oh, is that why I overanalyze? And is that why I take on too much? Or you may be that person that has a lot of expectation of others and they're going to disappoint you because they're not you, right? If you're the person that's very much no filter, who's met those people and they just say it how it is, and you're like, whoa, where did that come from? Are you that person? Do you have any insight how you impact others? So if you come along to this workshop, Discover What Drives You, the first part we're going to look at is you. It's about your behavior, about your traits. And then if you like it, if you're happy to work with me, then you might come along to the next one where we then look at your values. So it's about looking at you and managing your own mental health, but more importantly, looking at things that impact you and learning how to step outside of that comfort zone and really challenging yourself and having the anxiety come. I know that word anxiety, people think, oh my God, it's such a bad word, but it's not. I'm going to help you learn to manage your anxiety, notice it and be aware of it and what you do with it. Okay, so it sounds exciting, right? There is so much in this workshop, and I am very passionate about training. I've been a leadership instructor for many years. I finished off a counseling degree. I'm really focused and passionate in personal development, not only to keep ourselves well, but to know that, when good stuff happens, it's fantastic, but there's also bad stuff that happens as well. And how do I learn to manage and cope with that? We only have to see what's happening with us all now. So if you're really keen and you're interested in doing this, then I will see you very soon. Just click on the link and we'll catch up. See you later. Thank you.